For this function right here, this is in fraction form. If we have 2 or more terms in our denominator, then we have to apply quotient rule. Okay, so quotient rule is if we have y is equal to f over g, then y prime is equal to always the square of denominator, g squared, and the numerator is equal to low d high minus high d low. So low is g times d high, derivative of high is f. Okay, so derivative of f minus high is f times d low, derivative of low. So low is g, so derivative of g. Right, that's the formula. Okay, remember that since this is minus, this expression has to be in order. Okay, always this expression minus this expression. Okay, so y prime is equal to, remember, denominator is low, numerator is high. So the formula says square of denominator. So 2x squared plus 5 squared. Numerator is low d high. Low is 2x squared plus 5, right? So 2x squared plus 5, low d high, derivative of high. Derivative of 4x plus 1, that's 4. So 4 minus high d low. High is numerator, 4x plus 1 times d low, derivative of denominator, right? So derivative of 2x squared plus 5, that's 4x. So that is equal to, we have 2x squared plus 5 squared here, 8x squared plus 20 minus 16x squared minus 4x. And this is equal to negative 8x squared minus 4x plus 20 over 2x squared plus 5 squared.